Good morning, everyone. This is chapter 10 for class 9. The name of the chapter is Social Media, a Boon or a Curse. Means हिंदी we call it कि ये जो सोशल मीडिया है वो हमारे लिए एक वरदान है या फिर एक अभिशाप है. So simply there is a discussion between a teacher and some children. They are going to discuss about everything about the So this is simply a discussion. Now I'm going to read the chapter first. Mass media plays a crucial role in connecting the people. The world of individual has the ability to reach wider range of audience with strong and influent message, which can be tremendous impact upon society. So as we know, mass media means like television, radios, internet. So what are these? These are just helping us to connect with one another. So television and radio, they have a highly influence on the life of the people, even in their daily routine. The media has three important roles to play. That is to inform. The media gives the information, to inform, to educate, and to influence, balance opinion. So these are the features. These are the features which are mainly done by the media. Information, whatever we are getting through the media. What we education, the people, whatever we see in the TV, we listen in the radio, we believe those things. So now in this chapter we are simply going to discuss about that if mass media is there, so whether we are utilizing it properly or not. So how it is like a boon or a curse for a human beings. So in this the children, they are going to discuss with their teacher. Okay, so today's topic for our discussion is social media. All the participants express their views on the topic, and after you may comment on the point spoken. So we will start the discussion with Karthik. Now there is one boy, that is Karthik. So as said before, in simple terms, mass media informs, education and influence. Mass media informs, educates and influences. Traditional media includes TV, radio, newspaper and magazine. But now social media or social network are new terms represent widespread online communication which is the outcome of fast technological development. Internet is an actual master which helps these social media to connect the whole world. Now, whole social media offers opportunity for participation, for communication, for sharing or exchanging the information, associations, and sharing of messages, videos, pictures, and the text update to friends, family members, people around the globe through the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and LinkedIn, etc. So he was just in favor of the social media, and he is simply telling that social media, it has given us new opportunity so that we can communicate with the people, we can update ourselves, we are always in contact with the people through Facebook, through Twitter, through WhatsApp. So that is good for us. Now Mr. Arun said, thank you for your views, and we continue our discussions with Dilip. Now the next person is Dilip. Now Dilip said, social media revolution has brought about incalculable changes in the lives of the people all around the world. Social networking system was initiated with email in 1960. So email, it was initiated in 1960. Recognized in the mid of 1970, gradually different networking system was introduced as BBS, Bulletin Board system in 1979, Internet Relay Chat in 1988, and World Wide Web in 1991. Classmates.com in 1995, LinkedIn and MySpace in 2003, Facebook in 2004, WhatsApp in 2009. So, a part of these there are number of social networking sites as YouTube, Reddit, etc. With the advancement of technology, the new social networking apps are still being developed with more quickness and correctness. Thus, the influence of social media is increasing day by day. So, what he is telling? Dilip is telling that nowadays we have a lot of things by which we are connecting with the whole world, and he has given the years also. So influence means the effect of social media is increasing on every person day by day. Now Mr. Arun said, thank you for your findings. Can we hear something from Dinesh? Now it's the turn of Dinesh. Dinesh said, oh yes, social media provide endless contact and socialization benefits. Yes, there are more advantages than disadvantages of social media. There is a risk that you will be spammed or information can be stolen. But if you take care of correct measures, these issues can be reduced to a certain level. Social networks can facilitate relationships and promote the good for society, but can lead to discrepancy and division. So what he is telling, that social media has advantages also, as well as it has some disadvantages also. So social media, it is useful if we take the proper measures and we are using it in a proper way. So it can easily facilitate the relationships and promote the good for the society, but can lead to discrepancy and division. Discrepancy means the difference between two things that should be the same. Now, Mr. Arun said, very good. Now it's the turn of Vishal. Now Vishal said, of course, social media can be termed as good or bad in itself. It has many advantages and it has some disadvantages. Correct knowledge and responsible use of freedoms are important to make social media a boon or a curse. It helps the people to be connected to anyone at any time. It helps to maintain friendship with old friends wherever they are, and also to make new friends from any part of the world. It helps people to build business connection also. Social media helps to preserve relationship even with the people at far off places without any difficulty. So according to him also, the social media is good. So distance is not a barrier of relationship. If the social media is used, it provides a quick, varied opportunities. And in searching for a new job, getting personal and career directions, and sharing our ideas. So he is also in favor of the social media. Now Arun said, thank you for sharing your views. We have one more participant, Vijay. Now it's the turn of Vijay. Social media offers fast opportunity to share the information. It helps the individuals and the organization to convey their programs and policies within no time. Social media, especially the Twitter, is becoming a mainstream source for breaking news. Smartphone is the best device that helps the people to access news from social media on daily basis. If TV channels were the best advertising media, now social media has taken the role much effectively. So businessmen, artists, musicians use social media for promotions. As social media is the easiest mean to convey the secrets of their friends, people thoughtlessly pass the detail and picture to illegal things they do in the social sites. So, it helps the police department to track criminal. It is also most cost effective way to keep in touch with our people. Here geographical locations are no barrier to stay and in touch. The sites allow us to send and receive messages, upload photos and videos. As such, they are very interactive as you can get to know and see the updates of your friends and relatives. With social networking sites, you are bound to be any geographical and cultural difference. You get to meet and know a variety of people whose interests are similar to your own. So, these were all the good things that are said by those peoples. Now,